A whole building burned down. And me call 119. And they hang up on me blood clot. Me call 119. After 4, me I look for the call. Me look at girl call me say, what's a bun down out of me in the bathroom. Naked as the day me burn. Me run out of my bathroom and me pit this in me nakedness. Me pit this in me nakedness. And me call 119 and they hang up on me blood clot. See it there? Me call emergency number. And they hang up on me. What is in a Jamaica? Me want to know what is in a Jamaica. What taxpayer money I go? Me call 119 and they hang up on me. A Lenelton police me have to ring. Lenelton police me have to ring. Fi call the fire brigade. Cause me don't know fire brigade number. Me call 119 and they hang up on me.
Wagwan, my Jamaican family, and once again welcome back to the Yardi Reactivities. For the first time you are checking me out, kindly subscribe, like and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving on to me. Well, but to this video, guys, I hope you've watched on the introduction of the video, whereby it is about a Jamaican woman crying mainly because her house is on fire. And here it is said she tried calling all the 911s, but she didn't receive any of the help that she required, So it seems like the firefighters in Jamaica are sleeping. And why are they sleeping? It's mainly because the government doesn't look up on this. So I want you guys to watch this entire video, as it has some of the Jamaicans reacting on to this case, and even some of them regretting on why they voted for Andrew Holness. So watch the video to the end and I'll be back with more.
I remember the first time when I voted for Andrew Holness. Oh, I did so glad. Oh, me did roll pan the ground till me chip up my hand. But Mr. Andrew Holness here is no good to Jamaica. And Jamaica make the wrong choice. I mean, I blame nobody for vote for you, because I vote for you once when you just a turn Prime Minister, I vote for you. And me I tell you, sir, you come, you take over the beach them. There's no beach in Jamaica where people can just take up themselves and go. Every beach done private beach. You butt down in people them house. You butt down in people them stall. Your taxi man then can't stand on the road them in a piece like hungry belly police them. Mr. Andrew Holness, we see 14 side of you, like how we have a 14 parish in Jamaica. We see 14 side of you surround. Jamaica don't want you. And me I telling you, every community work on that system. They may have time and a system time and war time. They may have time have to stand up for you, pitney them. And you see how the police them are use and abuse, People afraid to talk about them topic, about me not. If me have got dead for talking truth, me have got dead for talking truth. Because we have to stand up, and a time now for we stand up, and this Prime Minister here take things out of hand. This Prime Minister here is greedy and gluttonous. They come like some Africa king. We take over people them land, amount of apartment you have, amount of bank account you have, amount of things you don't have when you come in a parliament can see. And somebody has suffered and blood tap it to get police and kill out everybody in that Jamaica. Pay blood sacrifice for Antichrist, Mr. Andrew Holness. We don't want to see no more of you. And me say for the last time we are going to dead out, we are going to finish kill we out, because we are going to stand up for we right, Mr. Andrew Holness. We don't want to see no more of Uno. Uno is no good. You only come to creep. And you know, say last of you this, say you creep for left legacy. You creep for make sure your pitney and your generation ain't good, but they not go good neither, Mr. Andrew Holness. Because you not go wait till another prime, you not go wait till 28 when
1 p.m. though. The Labour right them actively silent from what they are, because them does say them secretly a mash up the blood clot country. Look at it now, Una go say, cause them reach if them own a country no want them, Jamaica done a deal with them own crime. Crime rate is so fucking high, and them done a deal with it already, right? And them decide to them are gonna take migrants, and unless say something is wrong with that, the country not get nothing in return. Somebody pocket a get full, and the person who for pocket a get full. Almost so fucking greedy. On so greedy because the man just say no. Him a look for the rapist, the this, the juggies, and I don't really want to bring that in at the small island. When the UK the half of a bill one prisoner Jamaica, Uno said no. Uno said no and no campaign pan it and it make Andrew Holness win. And then people are gonna talk about PJ party. Fuck the PJ party, so that about then we are talking about now. We are talking about now. You know, imagine, you mean to tell me, say, the US a pay for one house down at St. Mary for the migrants them live. Bumbleclad people come in US for work and live, so them are gonna just pay for them there at St. Mary just so. For just sit down and not working when the people them want to work and the whole lamp and the people them want to work. People, bunny blood clot down. Burn it the fuck down. Me not understand on just sit down quiet just so uno feel like say I look up play something a go on. It real that them they are fucking Jamaica already. Them even managed to deport one blood clot Jamaican all the way a blood clot Africa. And nobody now protest. Brother, a full time now the younger generation stand up for something. Vibes Cartel telling you, is either stand up for something or fall for nothing. Come on, man. A man say, him no want them yes so in the US. Jamaica was so fucking small. You can't last Jamaica in a blood clot Florida. And this one want send them. Come on, man, people. 1 p.m. though. 1 blood clot p.m. And when the Prime Minister already it's just like the US. The US people they don't want chokehold when it comes to chump. It come like when they hear chump, them brain reset. So the Jamaican people brain reset when they hear about the Labour Right Party, because there's no fucking way this man I gonna say XYZ and uno upset that. One never say una create more jobs in a Jamaica for educate the younger youths them are coming with more program, uno coming with uno deport you uno know what? Then got fool no country for helping never come a Jamaica for helping her. So now what got happen now? When the US start fund them, more broken homes, meaning more single mother. Cause no people still are young girls still. Yeah man in my pretty ear run gone for breed and then man run gone left picnic. Decide say want go back in country. Drugs, Jamaica don't have a drug problem. The country do not have a drug problem. You understand? So drugs are gonna start flowing now. Right? And then what gonna happen now? The killing and come on man people, disappointed all in the people in my St. Mary won't do.
So people, may I wonder if I saw the government intend for go around and treat people in Jamaica. I just see a video of West Albion, St. Thomas, where a demolition took place of one woman's house without notice. So apparently it's a squatter situation where the people them go and them settle in that area. And this woman old concrete house wasn't a board house. Old concrete house with top on it got demolished without notice. And may I wonder, is it because the people them poor make you feel say una go treat them like that? Why them never get a notice to say you need to evacuate the land? And this is a picture. I have a picture up right here so to show you how it look when it demolished. But it's a sad day for real. I don't know why it will take Jamaican people to realize that this government regards no one, regards and does not, most of all, does not regard the poor. Them feel like them can treat the poor any way. Give the people them a notice, man.
You never see a soft set of blood clot race of people like Jamaican. Uno soft! And that me come for telling you. Me know how to come for me. Because all the way I see everything. More break it down. Before you come. Remember some of the power on the side now. I'm on the Jamaican side. I'm team Jamaica. Don't get it twisted, but we saw if you fuck. At 2026, I saw youth right now at 21, 22 is driving blood clot BMWs, all type of car, and still they worry about slavery. And still they worry about soft, but I mind over matter, my friend. Lego off my blood clot chuckles and chain in the day. Me no wake up none day I see them chuckles and chain for my friend them. The man never live lavish. You know what I mean? Top your mind, man. A mind over matter right now. Shake that blood clot. The ancestors, them and our people, them done put in the work. Them done fight and dead for if we live like this right now. In America. Me nah make the blood clot torment me. Me nah make me not torment me. Every day, the Prime Ministers, the man go and get up and just up in a jacket suit and each up in a one place and talk about the said blood clot thing. Me not listen to them. Me not interest me. Not whatever I say, me no want to hear. And that's what I understand. Say, fear God, no fear not the there. And you hold back yourself. Let go of corruption. No worry about that. Slavery God and done with already. Go and get your money and butter down. At that time momentum right now, my friend. I tell you, I can change the blood clot dimension, man, and go to some different energy. Because some boy, they worry about what big grown man and politician and government doing. We not worry about nothing what about blood clot do right now because the earth is the fullness of thereof and the earth is ours. What is that? ready? Check me out. I wolf my name. I have no shame in that game. Yeah, we feel live lavish. Or what?
Mr. Prime Minister, what type of circus show is it that you are running? Well, this circus show that you're running and calling it a government is atrocious, and I've never been a fan of clowns. Dr. Andrew Wheatley had to step aside back in 2018 amid the public pressure that he faced regarding the scandals that took place at Petrojam that fell under his stewardship. In 2019, Ruel Reid the same. In 2021, Floyd Green. In 2022, Robert Montague. In 2024, Everall Warmington. History has a way of repeating itself. Now we're seeing again where Dr. Andrew Wheatley has been recommended by the Integrity Commission to be charged on several accounts, including illicit enrichment. Why is Andrew Wheatley still a cabinet minister today? You went on Nationwide talking about retaining confidence in Andrew Wheatley. To be quite frank with you, Mr. Prime Minister, we don't care who you have confidence in. Civil society groups, the church and the opposition, advocates like myself, we have all asked that Mr. Wheatley step aside until things are sorted. It is communicating something very damning to the people of Jamaica, locally and abroad, when you as the Prime Minister continue to facilitate a cabinet minister who is facing these very serious accusations. Based on convention, based on what is the precedent, shouldn't Mr. Wheatley step aside? Aren't we in a healthy democracy where you as public leaders should adhere or at least give a listening ear to what the people are saying? This is outrageous. You must act. You, Mr. Prime Minister, must either ask Mr. Wheatley to step aside, or Mr. Wheatley himself must do some introspection and step aside amid the public pressure. This is the convention. Is it a case where you cannot ask Mr. Wheatley to step aside because you are uncertified as well? It's a disgrace. Andrew Wheatley must go.
Welcome back, guys. I hope you've watched that entire video to the end. You have heard whatever the Jamaicans had to say, and it's so very much sad when we watch such kind of stuffs happening in the country and the government does not take responsibilities on it. This is losing a lot of investment when your property just is on fire, and yet the people who are supposed to be helping you take out that fire, you call them and they are not there to rescue you. What does it show? The government is doing nothing, and this is what is happening in Jamaica. You have seen how that house is on fire. It is blazing on fire, going down onto ashes, and the owner is a woman and she is in tears, crying out loud, but there is no help. There are even no neighbors there whom would have rescued her in helping her, put down the fire or put off the fire with maybe water and something of the sort. But in it is said she tried calling 911 for help, but she did not get the help she required. And this is because the government is not doing its work. It's not only this case. There was a certain case whereby fire was outbursted in Jamaica, and when they tried calling the firefighters, they came around, and they came late. They did not help. When they reached, even the water they came with onto the firefighter truck, it was not enough. What's happening in Jamaica really? It's something that is raising out alarms, and the government is just there chilled and not taking responsibilities about this, mainly because these are some of the certain things that the government is supposed to be putting up front when they are planning on creating a country, mainly because such kind of tragedies might happen. And so these are the things that the government should be talking about and taking responsibility about mostly. Yeah, mainly because currently in Jamaica there have been fire outbursts whereby, places are being burnt down concerning due to the weather and other stuffs. Yeah, like we have seen a lot of videos whereby certain places in Jamaica are on fire. You see, and it is said mainly because of the weather, whereby you'll find out they're trying to burn maybe the rubbish, and in it the weather changes, the wind blows and carries away the fire. So and maybe when they're trying to clear out farms, so the fire outbursts, and in it the firefighters whom are supposed to be taking responsibilities of these are not even there to help. Even the machines that they are using, they cannot do the work that is supposed to be done. And this is all about the government responsibility. The government is supposed to take the responsibility on checking on these things. And even the people whom are working onto these offices of the firefighting, they're supposed to be, what are they sleeping on their jobs? Mainly because how can a citizen call for 911 and does not receive the help? You have heard Jamaicans in this video saying that they regret voting Andrew Holness, mainly because this man doesn't care about the people of Jamaica. He only cares about his whereabouts. Just a few days ago, he was talking about diaspora and how he's going to recreate Jamaica and rebuild Jamaica in becoming one of the best countries, or rather islands in the Caribbean again. So he talked about the diaspora. But how can you talk about the diaspora if you cannot handle such kind of cases? Even if there are people that you have kept onto these offices, what are they doing? We usually follow the leaders. So definitely they are following the footsteps of their leader. And that's you, Mr. Prime Minister Andrew Holness. All I do usually account for is for leaders whom care about their people and their country. Leaders whom will take such responsibilities onto their hands and, something that it's supposed to be taken much seriously, like such kind of tragedies when they happen. Just like Hurricane Melissa, if they had plans, right now Jamaicans wouldn't have been homeless or something of the sort. And now here are fire outbursting in Jamaica, and yet the firefighters whom are supposed to be fighting this fire, they cannot even account for it. You tell me how Jamaicans are going to survive onto this country. The Jamaicans need to wake up and stand up for their rights. As I told you earlier on, if you continue staying like this, then your country is going to vanish. For we have talked about a lot, not only about the Chinese buying portions of Jamaica and even putting them into being private. Not talking about foreigners being sold lands by the government of Jamaica so as they can build, their businesses, their hotels, restaurants, and whatever. And yet, the Jamaicans whom are living there, they're being displaced by their government. Jamaicans need to wake up. They need to wake up, or else. Let me know whatever you think about this amazing video. Let's come around, share our thoughts throughout the comment section so we can get to interact and know what you think, and mainly because your opinion does matters to us every day. Thank you very much, guys, for following up the video with me. I was your host, Yadi Reacts. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, like, and share to my YouTube channel. And to my returning subscribers, I do want to say thank you very much for the love and support you are always giving unto me. Always remember to link me up through my next videos. All I do want to say is peace out there.